Just cut and strip. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing 550 injectors and pigtails. We got them from Drift Motion. First thing we've got to do is take all this out of the way, get down to that fuel rail. Let's get going to the time lapse. So now that we've removed the throttle body, the intake tube, took off the rear fuel banjo bolt back here, that's a 22 millimeter. Make sure you keep this copper O-ring, you don't want to lose that. All I have left to do is take out the fuel rail bolts and the injectors, the injector plugs. Go back to time lapse. All right, I got the new injectors installed, and now it's time to go back in. All right, I got it all put back together now, and now it's time for first start. All right, it starts. All right, next thing we need to do is do the Lexus mod. We need to do the Lexus mod, so we'll be hitting that next. Thanks for watching.